Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm back at the farm, as you can tell, and ready to do some videoing of doing the pony. So I'll do that in a bit. I'll do a time lapse. Yeah, see ya. Bye. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Also, that was if you're new to the channel, Princess, pretty new anyway, and so I'll do another time lapse of her coming around the stable. So yeah, see ya. Bye bye in a minute. Guys, Princess is the king. She's the king of all time. Yes, the all time. So yeah, we're at the farm. It's a pretty quiet day, and next door, the mares are running around, and I'll just show you a quick clip of them. And there's nothing really to do. I'll try and do something later. And look how high we are. I'll just show you. It's just weird when I'm videoing them, but actually they're like in front of the camera. They're trying to be quiet. And I'll meet you down there. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Hi guys, I'm in the tractor with my dad. And we just dropped some bales off.
Tell him it's wet and mucky in the end of January and spring is coming soon.
Yeah. Because we nearly tipped over in a big ditch.
Your dad says too
Yeah. I'll see you in a minute, and
hopefully we will get some work out of Fraser. We've got a pitchfork in the tractor and he's going to fork some bad feeding out of a trough. If we get some work out of it, it should be a very lucky day.
okay. Beep. Ooh, good lord. The whole stack might fall down. Oh, he has the look today. Ooh. Oh, he has. Yes, he got the skills, man. He got the skills. He got the skills. Whoa! Yeah, he has got the skills. Beep. 3, 4. Oh, I can't bloody count them. Oh, sweet home. Oh! Oh!
Go back in the front.
Oh! No! Ooh. Ooh. They're coming for me. No. I couldn't count because they were going too fast. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that castle work. Just I don't know if I give a shout out, but shout out for Swaggy Donkey. Yeah, go and subscribe to his channel, and you'll find epic videos. So hope you've enjoyed today, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, that would be great. So bye bye. No, sorry. Bye and peace out.